Every business dreams of delivering a seamless, satisfying experience for its customers, but how do you make that happen? It all starts with understanding the customer journey. A customer journey map is a visual representation of every interaction a customer has with your business, from the moment they first hear about you to becoming a loyal customer. Think of it as a story, your customer's story. But mapping the journey is just the beginning. To truly impact your customer's experience, you need to conduct a customer journey analysis. This process helps you pinpoint gaps, frustrations, and opportunities at every stage of their journey. Why is customer journey analysis so important? Simple. It puts you in your customer's shoes. By identifying pain points and understanding what delights them, you can refine your strategies to build loyalty, boost satisfaction, and ultimately grow your business. Did you know that businesses that prioritize customer experience outperform competitors by nearly 80%? Now imagine what insights like these could do for your brand. Here's how you can run an effective customer journey analysis in just a few steps. 1. Define your customer personas. Start by identifying who your customers are. Break them into groups with shared goals, challenges, and expectations. 2. Map their journey. Track every touchpoint, where they first hear about you, what influences their decisions, and how they interact with your product or service. 3. Identify pain points and opportunities. Look for moments of friction, like a confusing website or long wait times. Then identify opportunities to delight them, such as personalized messaging or faster support. 4. Analyze the data use tools like Insight 7 to dive deeper into your data. Understand the why behind customer actions and get actionable insights. 5. Take action and measure impact. Finally, implement changes based on your analysis. Don't forget to measure the impact. Track customer satisfaction, retention, and revenue growth. Ready to take your customer journey analysis to the next level? With Insight 7, you can create detailed journey maps and uncover actionable insights, all from your conversational data. Start your journey with Insight 7 today and turn customer insights into powerful actions.